I want to show you how I would make $300 per day leveraging easy AI software. And this is the same AI software that I personally use to make a really nice daily income online, and the same software that I've shown hundreds of other people how to go through and start their own AI business, and they've been able to see amazing results as well. And no, you don't need any prior marketing experience or crazy tech skills to go through and get started with this. And the best part is you can do this from the comfort of your own home with no money to get started. Seriously, guys, I have nothing to sell you. No course, no coaching program, nothing like that. If you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll actually share with you a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course, all of my templates, my scripts, and free weekly live coaching with myself that you don't have to pay a thing. There's no upsells, no hidden paywalls or anything like that. And I'll be able to go through and help you start your own AI business leveraging this simple AI software. And the reason why I'm willing to do this is because I know what it's like when you're first getting started and feeling like you're trying to do everything to make ends meet. You're feeling overworked, burnt out, and feeling like the answers to all of your questions are behind just another paywall. So if you're like me when I first got started and you've tried a number of things that just have not worked, this could be the solution that you're looking for. This is the plan that can finally help you break free and leverage AI to start your own online business, working from the comfort of your own home. So let me quickly break down this simple business model for you, and then I'm going to show you guys step by step how to actually set this entire thing up. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be helping small local business owners, think chiropractors, orthodontists, dentists, hairstylists, any type of small local business. And no, we're not setting up with Facebook ads or doing SEO for clients, but we're setting them up with simple AI automation software. And you'll see if you can copy and paste, you can make this setup happen. And it only takes about 5 minutes to go through and set this up for these businesses, but it's going to bring tremendous value to the business owner, where then you can go and charge $300 to $500 per month per client for this service. So if you look at that, if you just get 3 clients paying you $300 per month, you're already at $900 per month, which is an amazing start to this new AI software side hustle. Okay, so now that we understand this simple 3-step business model, now I want to show you 2 simple things of first, how to find these small local business owners, and then second, how to set them up on this AI software automation and get them results so they'll want to continue to pay you $300 every single month. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. And then once we're on Google, all we have to do is go through and search for any type of business owner. So for this one, I'm just going to say plumbers, and then we're going to say San Diego, California. And this is going to work for any location, any type of small business owner. But when we hit enter, what it's going to do is it's going to pop up some initial businesses that are paying to be at the top. That's why they're sponsored right there. But then next, it's going to show several of the organic listings of businesses that typically have the most reviews and the most 5-star reviews. And typically, if they've gone through and got a lot of reviews on their business, it means they have invested marketing dollars into going and getting more reviews and making sure they have the right software and automations all in place, which I like this because that means they're probably open to investing into the marketing and advertising of their business, right? So these are going to be ideal businesses that we can go through and contact anyone that already is paying for advertising up here, or they already have a lot of reviews, because it shows that they're willing and you don't have to go through and sell them on why they should invest into marketing and advertising for their business. However, we are not selling them reviews. We are not selling them paid ads. We're not selling them any of that. We are selling them a simple AI service to help them respond to all of their incoming calls, texts, emails, Facebook messages, and Instagram DMs. So let me show you a live example of this and exactly how we're going to go through and set it up. So let's say we're going to go work with Anderson Plumbing right here, Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. So all we're going to do is click on their website. It's going to pull up their website right here. Now, if we look at this website, if I move my head right here, they have a little chat widget where people visiting their website can start a chat communication where they're hoping that there's this chat specialist that's going to respond to their messaging. And there's probably have a Facebook page, an Instagram page where people are reaching out, asking questions in Facebook DMs, Instagram DMs, on the chat widget page. They're probably texting this business. And so now this business needs to go through and hire a support rep to respond to all of their questions. And if you think about that, you have to find somebody that actually wants to work, then you have to pay them an hourly rate, you have to train them, and then if they're not really doing the great job, then you have to fire them and find some new person. Well, what if we could just train AI to do all of this, respond to every incoming question for the small business for a fraction of the cost? We can just hire this AI agent one time, train them one time. It takes a matter of minutes to train this AI bot. And then we never have to fire them because they're never going to show up sick to work or anything like that. So all we have to do is come over here and we're just going to copy and paste this website URL. We're going to go over here to the simple AI automation software and click on settings and set this business up with a simple service called Conversation AI. Now, the cool thing about this is inside of Conversation AI is we can say, hey, we want this AI bot to respond via text message, if there's an Instagram DM, Facebook DMs, that chat widget that's live on their website right there, or any live chat that's coming in, any type of inbound communication that is text-based, we want this AI bot to respond and answer all the questions. And then we're just going to turn it on autopilot. And then if I move my head right there, we'll just click on save. And then you might be thinking, well, how do we actually train this AI bot? And I know nothing about this business, so how do we know how to train the bot so it knows the exact services, the time of day they're open, what their pricing is, when their appointments are available? Well, all we have to do is come over here to bot training. And what we can do here is literally copy and paste the website URL to the business right here and click on Get Data. And so now what AI is doing is it's scanning the entire website. It's learning about all of their services, their pricing, the hours that they're open, what appointments that they have available. And it's learning everything it needs to know about the business. And then on top of that, typically most businesses, they have about 5 or 6 frequently asked questions that people are always asking their business. And so you can ask the business owner, hey, what are the typical questions that you guys get asked that might not be on the website, but we might need to know? And then you could just come over here and click on Add Q&A, and you just go and type in a question, type in the answer, and then we hit save, and then we go through and add all the questions and all of the answers for this business. Okay, so now you can see that this link has now been updated. So the AI bot has scanned the entire website, learned everything it needs to know about this website. So now we can come over here to this bot trial and test it. So we might be saying like, what services do you offer? Something like that. Now the AI bot has learned everything it needs to know from the website. So it says, we offer residential plumbing, heating, drain cleaning, and air conditioning services in San Diego County. And so now, if we like this answer, we can go through and say, yes, we can thumbs it up and say, yes, this is a great answer. Or if it's like, they didn't quite get it right, we just thumbs it down right here, and we can go through and enter the right information and click on Train Bot. And then you can continue to test it with whatever questions somebody might ask. So are you open on Mondays? The bot already knows we're open 24/7, so you can reach out at any time on Monday. So you can see, as simple as a copy and paste of the website URL into this AI automation software, it's already learned everything it needs to know about the business. And then another cool thing that you can add as a special bonus to these small business owners is if they want to go through and book more appointments on their calendar because they want to go through and schedule appointments, you can go through and enable this appointment booking and choose a calendar to have the AI bot automatically ask a few questions and then direct them to book an appointment on their calendar. So now the great thing about this for these small business owners is they don't have to worry about hiring secretaries and assistants and training them and making sure they're showing up to work and showing up on time and learn everything they need to know about the business, which even learning everything about the business can take several weeks. Whereas with this AI bot, it takes a matter of minutes, and you can charge these businesses as low as $300 per month, whereas hiring an assistant or a secretary, they're probably going to be paying a minimum of $2,000 to $3,000 every single month for somebody that's unreliable, is not fully trained, and then you have to deal with them getting sick, and they might be out on the weekends, or they might take breaks, whereas AI never take breaks, never goes on vacation, and it never gets sick. And I hope you can see how this is literally a one-time setup where you go through and train this AI bot. It takes about 5 minutes to copy and paste in here, add some frequently asked questions, go in and make sure that it's answering the questions the right way. And then from here on out, the bot is trained and it's going to continue to add value to the small local business owner every single month. But this business owner is going to continue to pay you $300 per month for the service because it's adding massive value to their business, which then this is creating a really nice stream of what I like to call semi-passive income, because it's not pure passive income because you actually had to do a little bit of work of setting it up, getting the client. But honestly, at the end of the day, there's nothing that's truly passive where you just set it and forget it and you don't have to do anything. But this right here, once you get the client, you make a sale one time, you set it up one time, and then maybe along the path, you answer a few support questions, or if they have any need for help, you go through and help them. But other than that, this is pretty scalable, and you could easily see how you can go through and grow this to 10 clients, 20 clients, even 50 clients that are all paying you $300 per month. And this simple AI side hustle can really scale and grow with you, where it can ultimately replace your full-time income. So if you like this simple AI side hustle to go through and create some semi-passive income, like I said, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and even consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll hook you up with a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course, plus templates, plus sales scripts, so you know exactly how to go through and contact these business owners. And I've got several free ways to go find small local business owners in addition to the one that I showed you, and how to set up the software step by step. And I'll even give you a professionally designed website template for free that you can have set up and running as soon as today, so you can start getting new clients and looking like a professional, legit business, so you can start your own AI side hustle. And this Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, we're actually having a 100% free bootcamp where in 45 minutes, we're gonna help you set this entire business up and show you how to get your first clients, how to onboard those clients, get results for those clients so they continue to pay you every single month. And then in addition to that bootcamp, we'll also have a free one-on-one kickoff call that you can jump on with a member of our team, make sure everything is set up the right way, and know that you have a confident path moving forward in growing this simple AI software business. So with that said, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below, and I'll hook you guys up with the free course, templates, scripts, coaching, bootcamp, and one-on-one kickoff call. A quick shout out to our sponsor, AIMessageBots.com. You can now use AI bot automation to automatically book more appointments for your business. So go to AIMessageBots.com right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMy.agency. We'll show you how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency for free, plus we'll show you the only software that we use and give you an extended 30-day free trial. So go to launchmy.agency right now to learn more and start your free trial.